also threatened to kill me. See this one. See him here. He threatened to beat me in court of law. One day you will need justice and you approach the court.
People like him,
Look at them, all of them, with gun inside the courtroom. Look at all of them here.
Even when you are giving this kind of justice, they will start them without any fear.
As if that is enough. If these people can they stand the Sultan of Sokoto, can Sultan of Sokoto be seated outside? Look at Okwadike. This is His Excellency, a former governor in this country, sitting down outside the courtroom because the unwielding DSS refused lawyers and the elder statesman like him not to have access to the courtroom. Make una tell us, is this a democracy? I thought judiciary is independent. Let the world hear this.
So what again? You can see the crowd. Feel the crowd. Feel the crowd and see the body.
For DSS to give order and don't cases and talk about the judges is an impunity. And it will end today. We will march to the National Assembly and tell the National Assembly enough is enough of DSS. Enough is enough.
This man from the north, would they stop him here? Leave this man from the north, the first civilian governor of Anambra State. Look at him sitting outside. He cannot go inside to witness the trial. Tomorrow the NTA will come and give us what they want to do. They are allowing them the cal this and that, this and that.
No, I think we should get from now.
But people go to this area.
If it is the not, they are
We have also a president here. Let us do it right now.
Even the CJ himself cannot turn the case very before the judge. He doesn't come. The CJ. Carrying guns today is part of the legal provision of the law that the DS will be empowered to carry guns. The same law can also stop them. Everywhere in the law, everywhere in the world, security they try to abide by the provision of the law. They made it so popular. They made it
La 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 la.